The automatic truck loading and unloading terminal is a system designed for the simultaneous handling of road tankers during the loading and unloading of viscous and solidifying petroleum products. The two-bay configuration provides a throughput capacity of up to 2,000 tons per day. The terminal has been developed to enhance the efficiency of logistics and process operations associated with petroleum product handling. Its design enables the simultaneous processing of different product types while maintaining the stability and safety of the production cycle. The use of modern pumping units, automated mechanisms, and intelligent control systems increases operational speed, ensures accurate process data recording, and guarantees compliance with current quality and environmental requirements. Integration with corporate management systems and automatic archiving of process data make the solution convenient for operation, monitoring, and subsequent analysis of production processes. The terminal consists of a product loading system, a product unloading system, truck scales, access gangways, an operator control room with controlled access, a canopy, LED traffic lights, barrier gates, and dedicated safety systems, including a vapor recovery system for viscous and solidifying petroleum products, and an automatic loading shutdown system. Terminal operation includes the following stages: loading or unloading preparation, automated access control, vehicle positioning, connection of loading and unloading equipment, loading or unloading operations, process monitoring and control, reporting, and data analysis. The operator control room is a modular facility designed for monitoring and controlling the loading and unloading operations of road tankers. The module incorporates two operator workstations, uninterruptible power supply systems with diagnostic functions, information exchange and automated control systems, climate control, fire detection systems, and access control and management systems. The control room is also equipped with intercom communication devices, stairways, and safety railings. The control workstation features modern monitoring and automation systems, enabling the operator to supervise all station parameters in real time while ensuring safe and efficient product transfer operations. The product unloading system is designed to transfer petroleum products from road tankers to the storage tank farm. The module is equipped with unloading hoses, pumping stations with filters for viscous petroleum products, process pipelines, shut-off valves, and instrumentation. Each component is specifically designed to operate under elevated pressure and temperature conditions, ensuring reliable handling of various petroleum products. The pumping stations are equipped with modern sensors that provide automated process monitoring, allowing operators to receive real-time information on system status. The internal gear pump ensures smooth, pulsation-free product transfer, reducing both pumping station vibration and product foaming. The pump is equipped with a heating jacket and a relief valve to prevent excessive pressure buildup within the system. The gear motor is designed to transmit and convert rotational motion to the gear pump through a flexible coupling. The filter is intended to remove mechanical impurities from the product. It consists of a housing, a removable cover, and a filter element. The housing is equipped with inlet and outlet connections for both bitumen and thermal oil and incorporates an integrated heating jacket. The product loading system is designed to transfer petroleum products from the storage tank farm into road tankers. The module includes process pipelines, shut-off valves, top-closed loading arms, and a vapor return hose for removing vapors from the tanker during loading operations. The top closed loading arm consists of several interconnected pipe sections joined by 4 swivel joints. The swivel joints provide flexibility to an otherwise rigid piping structure and enable precise positioning of the loading pipe relative to the tanker manhole. To ensure closed loading operations, the loading arm is equipped with a conical vapor recovery lid. The lid is additionally fitted with a sealing element that ensures a leak-tight connection and prevents atmospheric precipitation from entering the tanker. The structure is balanced by a spring counterbalance mechanism and can be manually operated by a single operator. Owing to its mobility, the loading arm can be compactly parked along the loading rack without obstructing vehicle movement. The access gangway is designed to provide safe operator access to the tanker manhole. The gangway is equipped with a folding spring-assisted mechanism, protective guardrails, and a special anti-slip walking surface. The structure is manufactured from lightweight, high-strength aluminum alloy. The canopy is intended to protect personnel and equipment from atmospheric precipitation. It is equipped with local lighting, a video surveillance system, and a forced exhaust ventilation system with vapor extraction. The ventilation system is installed in accordance with applicable sanitary and environmental regulations to maintain the required air quality and prevent atmospheric contamination by vapors from viscous petroleum products. The thermal oil heating system provides heating of equipment, pipelines, control valves, and the product itself during startup and throughout operation. Thermal insulation minimizes heat losses and prevents temperature fluctuations, which is critically important when handling viscous petroleum products.